Ladies, listen up, especially if you are my age. I'm a Gen Xer, I'm 53, and I'm going to tell you one of my struggles I always have, but this Bodify powder saves the day every single time. I'm going to link it below because I cannot live without this product. I'm going to show you how this works. So now that I'm 53, aging gracefully, I get my hair colored every 3 weeks. Yes, every 3 weeks, because my gray roots start showing immediately. So I'm always prepared with this Bodify. And again, I'm going to link it below. It comes in multiple colors, and I'm going to show you this one because I use the hell out of it. I also use a firm bristle brush to dab the powder in my hair. Now, if you get your hair wet, it's going to come out, but this will last until your next wash. I go 3, 4, sometimes even 5 days without washing my hair, but this is a game changer, and I'm going to show you how I apply it. This is not only great for roots that are showing, like when your gray hair or whatever roots you have are showing, but this, if you have thinning hair, this is another way to mask the thinning hair, because this just makes everything look nice and dense and nice and thick. And again, guys, I love this. This is a must in my makeup bag, and I wanted to share it with you, and I'm going to link it below so you can grab one for yourself too, because if you are a Gen Xer like me, I cannot go 3 weeks. I've got to go back to the salon, and I've got to do the in-between thing every week to 2 weeks out. So this is definitely a game changer.